Hey YouTube, these are some knives I got this week, and we'll get started here with the Real Steel Megalodon. This is the Bowler M390 stainless steel drop point blade on tumbled titanium. It's frame lock, flat ground flipper on bearings, open construction. This knife is about 150 bucks on sale. Great knife. The cheaper version was on my number 11 knife of the year, the honorable mention for the top 10, and the titanium would have made the list. So great knife. Then I also got the Fallkniven GPgm gentleman's folding knife. This is the laminated cobalt steel drop point on a liner lock frame, green micarta, bolstered. I believe that's stainless steel. It's got a shackle, Teflon washers. This is a $240 knife. I had my eye on this for a long time, and it's a great knife. I love that blade shape. And then I got a couple of multi-tools. The Henstrong. This is the 18-in-1. This is a $20 knife. You got your can opener, your bottle opener, your box wrenches, wire strippers. You got a file. Here, your knife. These all lock. Oh, what's this one? Saw. And your pliers. Then it's got this cool feature. You pop the bits out. They're a little hard to get a hold of, but you put them in the end here, and you have a little screwdriver set. Plus, it's got a glass breaker. Pretty cool tool. And that was 20 bucks. And then I got another one. The 9-in-1. This is deployed a little differently. And then that locks. But then it's got saw, the opener, can opener, bottle opener, the knife, and the driver, reversible, felt and flat. Pretty cool. So that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Thanks, YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate the support.